Alright my good people, and welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I don't come your scream, I don't come your domot with another legit intel, with another breaking news on the things and things where they go on for inside we nation Nigeria. The koko now be say, as of on Tuesday will be the 26th day of November for inside this year 2024, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission will be Efcc through their spokesperson will be Bello Oyawale. They come outside now come dey confirm am, say last they don't arrest and they don't detain the former Kogi State Governor will be Yaya Bello, and they say they go carry the man go court as soon as possible. And my good people, you know say we don't give you report now, say the EFCC then filed fresh corruption charges against Oga Yaya Bello for inside the FCT High Court for inside the month of September. And Oga Yaya Bello arraignment was scheduled to happen on Wednesday, will be the 27th day of November for inside this year 2024 by Justice Marian of the FCT High Court. And the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission will be EFCC. They don't believe and say Oga Yaya Bello go turn up, as Oga Yaya Bello surrender himself give the EFCC on Tuesday, will be the 26th day of November for inside this year 2024. The thing shocked the general public and even shocked the EFCC. It was a dramatic turn of events considering his previous attempts to evade arrest. And no be lie my good people, no be small drama wey happen on the 18th day of September for inside this year 2024. The koko be say, the former Kogi State Governor will be Yaya Bello, him be make a controversial surrender to the commission will be EFCC for inside Abuja, and as in the surrender himself, he was very much accompanied by his successor will be Governor Usman Ododo. However, my good people, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission will be EFCC, they no gree arrest Oga Yaya Bello as he can surrender himself, because say he come with Governor Usman Ododo. But last it can lead to a confrontation between EFCC operatives and the security details of Governor Usman Ododo, because after Oga Yaya Bello don't come out for the EFCC can go dey pursue Oga Yaya Bello again. And normally, my good people, all those kind of levels, it don't make sense at all. It's very unprofessional of the commission will be EFCC. But last they don't arrest the man and they don't carry am go court. The past governor of Kogi State will be Yaya Bello, he arrived for inside the High Court, waiting for inside Maitama, for inside the Federal Capital Territory will be Abuja, and they arrived at the court premises around 8:50 a.m. on Wednesday, will be the 27th day of November for inside this year 2024. And the kind security we carry Oga Yaya Bello come court, my good people, he heavy, no be small. And no be lie, my good people, you know say the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, they will don't declare Oga Yaya Bello wanted for inside the month of April over the allegations of financial fraud and misconduct during his tenure as governor of Kogi State. The anti-graft agency, so will be EFCC, they already investigate Oga Yaya Bello matter for several months now, but he don't evade arrest. That is, he don't dodge arrest since until they can last detain him on Tuesday. Now my good people, make I yarn you the things and things where they currently they happen for inside court, and the drama it was key, no be small. You know say the former Kogi State Governor Yaya Bello, he don't plead not guilty to a 16-count charge of money laundering where the federal government plaster against him. And the charges, they alleged misappropriation and misuse of public funds, including acquiring multiple high-value properties for inside Abuja, plus the United Arab Emirates and the United States. And the funds where they allegedly misused, according to EFCC, massive, no be small. This money now can amount to billions of naira. That is the money where the former Kogi State Governor Yaya Bello allegedly squander. Massive, no be small. Billions of naira, no be chop. And the EFCC, they somehow accused give Oga Yaya Bello, saying go they purchase property for inside Abuja's Maitama and Asokoro districts, and in they send plenty money they go abroad. Don't be small matter like this, my good people. And you know another interesting thing about this matter, no be only Oga Yaya Bello where they job accused from the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. Like this now, other defendants is very much accused of breaching public trust and engaging in dishonest financial activities during his time as governor. Then during the arraignment of Oga Yaya Bello for inside the Federal Capital Territory High Court on Wednesday, another drama it can burst. The arraignment can take an unexpected turn, and this twist so now can make Justice Marian come vex comot for the courtroom. Now before I yarn you the reasons why she used vex comot for the courtroom, I want first yarn you another legit. You know say Oga Yaya Bello, e come back as if this man na Liverpool, he no dey ever waka alone. The first time wey he make a controversial surrender to the EFCC, he waka with the current governor of Kogi State wey be Usman Ododo. Now last wey they don arrest am, they come carry am come court. Could you believe say Oga Yaya Bello no still come court alone? This man supporters still follow am come court, and e come back as if na him supporters na plenty pass for inside the courtroom. Things come dey happen now, chaos come dey burst out. E come make the judge Kokuma vex waka comot, and before she waka comot, she come drop announcement say if sanity is not restored, if everywhere no quiet, she no go resume the case. She go go plaster for where she plaster, so that everybody go just dey like that, make time dey waste dey go. Then Oga Yaya Bello, sake of say he na boss, sake of say he dey represent and he no like the delay, that one now come make am come stand on top the seat wey he dey sit down for front. He come dey tell him supporters make dem do the calms, make dem waka jeje comot for the courtroom. And as Oga Yaya Bello just voice out the word sharply, him supporters come concur. They come dey comply with wetin he yarn. They come dey jejely dey comot for the courtroom. Then Oga Yaya Bello come sit down for the entrance to make sure say each and every one of them true step out the courtroom. See this man intervention now, e come make the courtroom come calm down. The tension, it come reduce on the massive levels, and the supporters then waka comot in an orderly manner without resisting the command. All these incidents, my good people, they happen as Oga Yaya Bello, wey be the former governor of Kogi State, in dey await the commencement of his trial on a 16-count charge wey the federal government plaster against am. Although he don plead not guilty, but this man wey EFCC carry come court plus all the charges wey dem plaster against am, the man no even shake. In composure na dey surprise the general public, and the way he take control the crowd, e come make country people come dey feel as if this man know wetin he dey do. The level of confidence wey this man gather dey speak volumes for inside the courtroom. Then after every as the place now don calm down, Justice Mariam come burst out, come continue the proceedings. So far, my good people, this na the update on the arraignment of Oga Yaya Bello, wey be the former Kogi State governor. And be rest assured, say I go come your side again with more updates. But anyhow this informate be you for body, you are free to drop it inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they like give on a legit intel on the things and things wey dey occur for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news they come, now go first receive the update and you go if you receive them sharp. And I beg, try make you share the news to your family and friends, so that them too they go know wetin dey sup for inside we nation Nigeria. And they come your side again with another legit intel for you, my good people. I beg, no go anywhere.